Google Photos versus Samsung Gallery. What's the difference in Android? Now, Google Photos and Samsung Gallery are two of the, band for band working applications for your photos and storing them for a long time. Now, Google Photos is obviously a veteran in this game because it has been doing this for a while and has been working pretty nicely for tons and tons of people, many satisfied customers, many satisfied clients who are very happy with the services of Google Photos. Now, what Google Photos does is it takes your images, saves it to your device, but also syncs it to your Google Cloud. So in your Google storage, you're going to find all of these photos saved. With Samsung, it's different. Samsung has its very own cloud that it adds to. Okay, both of them are pretty incredible, and of course, I would suggest that if you're on a Samsung device, using Samsung Gallery is already a pretty good step up because it's already integrated into your phone. Using Google Photos is also a pretty good option, and in that way, you have two different storage spaces to store your photos in. So, yeah, that's the main difference between them, and you can use both of them together as well, sparingly. So yeah, that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.